Hey y'all, welcome to Mangoes and Palm Trees. Today, we're diving into a tropical delight straight from Vietnam, coconut coffee. Trust me, this drink is pure magic. Coconut coffee is a creamy blend of bold, Robusta coffee and luscious coconut milk. It's often served iced, making it a refreshing treat. The secret lies in the fin filter, which brews a rich, earthy coffee with a tropical twist. Perfect for sipping in places like Da Nang and Hoi An, where coconuts are everywhere. So, let's whip some up at home. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of ground Robusta coffee, 2 ounces of hot water, half a cup of coconut milk, and some ice. First, brew the coffee using a fin filter for about 4 to 5 minutes. While it's brewing, mix the coconut milk with a bit of sugar if you like it sweet. Once the coffee's ready, pour it over a glass filled with ice. Then add the coconut milk mixture and stir well. For a little flair, top it off with some coconut flakes. In Vietnam, you can find the best coconut coffee at cozy spots near in Bang Beach in Da Nang or Fin Coffee Restaurant in Hoi An. Not only is it delicious, but it's packed with health perks too. Antioxidants from the coffee and quick energy from coconut's MCTs. Head to mangosandpalmtrees.com for the full recipe and more tropical drinks. Have you tried coconut coffee? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy sipping.